Hello, my name is Trevor Faulkner, and I'm here to oppose the proposed bill by the Senate to require all public schools to record student BMI to be reported to parents or guardians. It is an ineffective approach to solving the national epidemic of childhood obesity. So in recent years, children, about 18.5% of them are considered obese. And this is due to technological advancements such as televisions, computers, and cell phones. What this proposed bill fails to acknowledge is a health behavior change is not economically feasible, and it does not follow evidence and community-based participatory research. It does not allow parents to develop new health behaviors or allow them to create new health behaviors, and they are one of the sole decision makers of the household, which have a heavy influence on their children. And the funds of this current policy are not being used wisely. They're going straight into professional hiring and development in order to accurately measure BMI instead of going directly to the students in the form of health education within the school system or physical activity programs. My recommendation is that public schools federally should adopt a system very similar to a community participatory-based research intervention called Shape Up Somerville. Basically, this is a multi-level approach where it affects the individual, the household, institutions, and environments. It utilizes a socio-ecological model and changes health behaviors, and also is made with the community in mind. So over the 2-year intervention of the Shape Up Somerville program, there was a significant drop in screen time from 48% to 37% in students, and physical education also increased over that time period about 10%. And even though students were the main target of this program, everyone in the Somerville community reaped the benefits. The initial startup was expensive. It was around $384,000, but after 10 years, students and everyone that was involved in the program could see a return on investment of about 50 cents. They would basically be lowering their BMI, which would be saving future medical expenses due to higher BMIs down the road. My final recommendation for this policy is to focus on intervention utilizing the sociological model as a framework which empower children and parents to alter health behaviors. Community needs assessments must be done by local school committees in conjunction with local organizations to meet the needs of each district by the year 2020. Federal government should fund school-based programs and community outreach sessions to educate children and their parents about physical activity and nutrition. Federal funding will also train volunteers and health professionals involved in the school system. This long-term intervention plan will be evaluated with questionnaires pertaining to physical activity and diet after 5 years of implementation. A successful collaborative effort among local groups, nonprofits, and school committee boards will decrease the rate of childhood obesity in the nation by 10% for the year 2026. After this time, it will be reassessed. Please consider this policy recommendation.